It's finally happened. The world's most anticipated Tesla, the 2026 Model 2, is officially ready. And Elon Musk has just confirmed what millions have been waiting for. The affordable electric revolution, the 15,090 Tesla, is no longer a dream. It's real. It's coming. And it's about to destroy the entire auto industry as we know it. Important point, but here's the part no one's talking about. What Tesla secretly changed inside the Model 2 that makes it unlike anything the world has ever seen. Welcome back to Road Zone Reviews. Today we're diving deep into the mind-blowing secrets behind the Tesla Model 2, how Elon Musk pulled off the impossible, and why this car might just rewrite the future of electric mobility forever. Because this isn't just another Tesla. This is the one that changes everything. The dream that started it all. Back in 2006, when Elon Musk released Tesla's master plan, he had one bold vision: start with expensive cars, use that money to build affordable ones, and ultimately create a car that anyone could buy. That dream, after nearly 2 decades, has finally become reality. The Model 2 is that car. After years of rumors, leaks, and speculation, it's here. A 15,990 compact EV built from the ground up to be simple, fast, efficient, and accessible to the world. But how did Tesla pull it off? How do you make a fully electric car that cheap without cutting corners? Important point, because here's the shocking truth. Tesla didn't just build a cheaper car, they reinvented the entire way cars are made. The secret behind Tesla's $1,590 price. The answer lies in giga casting and Tesla's secret weapon, the Giga Press. These massive 50,000-ton machines can die-cast entire car bodies in seconds. Instead of welding or assembling 400 parts together like a traditional car, Tesla's Giga Press fuses major components into just 2 or 3 ultra-strong aluminum pieces. This doesn't just save time. It cuts manufacturing costs by over 40%. It also reduces weight, improves safety, and allows Tesla to scale production faster than any automaker in history. This innovation is what makes the $15,090 price possible. Without giga casting, the Model 2 simply couldn't exist. Important point. But wait, if this tech is so revolutionary, why hasn't anyone else done it? The reason will make your jaw drop. Pre-built at the next-gen factory. The first Model 2 units will be produced at Tesla's new Giga Mexico, a futuristic AI-driven factory designed entirely around automation. According to insiders, the Mexico Gigafactory will use next-gen robots, AI logistics systems, and self-learning manufacturing algorithms, making it one of the most advanced production facilities in the world. Elon Musk called it a factory of the future for the car of the future. Everything from part delivery to assembly will be automated using Tesla's Optimus robots designed to handle repetitive human tasks. It's a bold move that will redefine what made by Tesla really means. Important point. But here's what's crazy. This factory won't just build cars. It might replace human workers altogether, and Elon Musk is completely fine with that. The design. Minimal, modern, and bold. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 takes inspiration from the Model 3 and Cybertruck, but in a smaller, sleeker form. It's compact, roughly the size of a Honda Civic, but carries that signature Tesla DNA. Smooth lines, aerodynamic curves, and an ultra-clean silhouette. The front fascia is almost smiling. A soft, futuristic design with thin LED headlights and a wide stance. No front grille, no excess details, just pure simplicity. Inside, it's minimalist heaven. One massive central screen, 0 buttons, and a single stalk for driving modes. Tesla wants this car to feel like a smartphone on wheels, a digital experience rather than a mechanical one. Important point. But there's something hidden inside this design that Elon Musk personally demanded. A secret feature that could save lives. Interior. where simplicity meets intelligence. Step inside and you'll instantly notice how Tesla reimagines space. Every inch is functional. The seats use sustainable vegan leather, recycled materials, and lightweight frames. The steering wheel is slightly squared off with touch-sensitive controls, and the dashboard, just one giant 15-inch display powered by Tesla OS 12, running on the company's in-house Dojo AI chips. You'll be able to control everything: navigation, music, climate, even driver profiles, through advanced AI voice commands. It's intuitive, clean, and fast. Tesla wants you to talk to your car, not operate it. Important point. And here's the craziest part. This Tesla actually listens, learns, and responds like a human. The more you drive it, the smarter it becomes. 6. The heart. Tesla's new battery tech. But here's where things get truly groundbreaking. The Model 2 will use Tesla's 4680 aluminum-ion hybrid cells, lighter, denser, and cheaper to produce than lithium-ion batteries. These new cells could reduce battery costs by over 50% and increase range dramatically. Expect anywhere from 250 to 300 miles per charge from a car that costs less than $16,000, even more shocking charging speed. With Tesla's V4 superchargers, the Model 2 can regain 150 miles of range in just 7 minutes. That's faster than filling a gas tank. The future of EVs isn't about waiting. It's about instant mobility. Important point. But what if I told you Elon Musk's real plan isn't just faster charging? It's to end gas stations completely. AI brain, full self-driving integration. Tesla is finally ready to push its full self-driving FSD suite into its affordable lineup. The Model 2 will ship with FSD Hardware 5, a next-generation chip built for real-time neural processing. This means the car doesn't just see roads. It understands them. It learns patterns, predicts behavior, and improves over time through neural network updates. Elon Musk called it AI driving that feels human but safer. With every mile driven, the Model 2 gets smarter, learning from the collective data of millions of Tesla vehicles worldwide. Important point. Imagine a world where your $15,000 car learns to drive better than you. Sounds impossible, right? Not anymore. Performance. Small but mighty. Don't let its size fool you. The Tesla Model 2 is expected to hit 0-60 mph in just 6.5 seconds, faster than most gas sedans. Powered by a single rear motor and an optional dual-motor AWD version, it delivers instant torque and smooth acceleration. Perfect for city driving, and with regenerative braking, it recharges every time you slow down, making it efficient, eco-friendly, and fun to drive. Important point. But here's the wild twist. This tiny car might outperform vehicles that cost 3 times as much. Autonomy meets affordability. Elon Musk's ultimate dream was never just about building electric cars. It was about creating an ecosystem of self-driving shared mobility. The Model 2 will be the foundation of the Tesla Robo taxi network. Owners will be able to let their cars drive themselves while they sleep, earning money through Tesla's ride-sharing app. Imagine waking up to find your car made you income overnight. That's not sci-fi anymore. That's 2026 reality. Important point. And yes, that means your Tesla could literally pay for itself. Elon's words, not mine. Global production strategy. Tesla isn't just thinking about America. The Model 2 is a global car designed to dominate markets like India, China, and Europe. With localized gigafactories and modular design, production costs drop drastically. Each factory can produce up to 2 million units per year. If that happens, Tesla could sell more cars in 2026 than Toyota and Volkswagen combined. This car could become the best-selling vehicle in human history, electric or not. Important point. But wait until you see what Tesla's building next. a secret project in Asia that could change how every car on Earth is made. Elon Musk's vision, the $25 trillion empire. When asked about the Model 2, Elon Musk said, "This isn't just a car. It's the foundation for a new civilization." He believes Tesla's success will go beyond vehicles into AI, robotics, energy, and global transportation. And the Model 2 is the gateway to that world. A car affordable enough for everyone, smart enough to drive itself, and efficient enough to sustain the planet. Important point, but here's the ultimate twist. The Model 2 might not just change Tesla's future, it could redefine humanity's competition can't keep up. Legacy automakers are terrified. Ford, Toyota, and Volkswagen can't match Tesla's cost efficiency because they're stuck in old manufacturing methods. Even Chinese EV makers like BYD are struggling to keep up with Tesla's AI integration and battery innovation. Every time Tesla cuts costs, the rest of the industry falls further behind. And with the Model 2, the gap just became a canyon. Important point, and here's what no one saw coming. Even Tesla's biggest rivals might soon be forced to buy parts from Tesla itself. The shockwave. What happens next? Analysts predict that once production starts, the global demand for the Model 2 will exceed 5 million pre-orders within months. That would make it the most successful vehicle launch ever. And here's the kicker. With federal and local incentives, some regions might see the Model 2 cost under $13,000 after tax credits. That's less than the price of a used car for a brand new Tesla. Important point, and if you think that's wild, wait till you hear what Tesla's planning for Model 2 owners in 2027. It's something no automakers ever dared to do. The future of Tesla, more than cars. The Model 2 isn't just transportation. It's part of Tesla's grand plan to create a self-sustaining AI-powered ecosystem. Your Tesla could connect to solar roofs, store power in a Powerwall, and even supply electricity to your home. Everything, car, home, grid, linked through AI. This is Elon Musk's true endgame, a connected, energy-efficient planet driven by automation and intelligence. Important point, this isn't just about driving anymore. It's about creating a world that runs on Tesla. The verdict: a revolution begins. After years of promises, leaks, and speculation, it's finally real. The Tesla Model 2 is happening. It's more than just an affordable EV. It's proof that technology, when used right, can change the course of human history. We're not just witnessing the birth of another car. We're watching the beginning of a new age, where electric, intelligent and autonomous vehicles become the norm, not the luxury. Finally, the 2026 Tesla Model 2 isn't just the cheapest Tesla ever made. It's the smartest, most revolutionary step in transportation since the invention of the car itself. And Elon Musk did it again. Thank you for watching Road Zone Reviews. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Tesla Model 2, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next revolution in mobility has only just begun. I'm your host, and this is Road Zone Reviews, where the future is already on the road.